Hi folks, welcome to another video. I wasn't actually going to do a video today, but plans have changed. We're supposed to be helping me mate do a petrol tank on a Punto GT, but he's ended up having to run up the road and help one of his mates do a gearbox on a Peugeot. So yeah, I'm going to go down the unit and actually get some shit done. So I wasn't going to do a lot of vlog style thing, which this is. Because what I'm going to be doing at the unit is I need to make some brackets for the back of my van, which I'll do a separate video for, and I need to sort out a chair as well for my gaming chair, which will also be another video. But the reason I'm doing this vlog is I was watching Joey's video the other day, Mill Creek Fab Shop, and he was putting a tri-cup on the stand. He's got one arm. And we get along and we abuse each other quite a lot, and I messaged him saying it did actually amuse me watching him struggle. I know you shouldn't laugh at a one-armed man sort of struggling, but you know, he's a mate and he's a pain in the arse, and it was funny. So yeah, this is why I'm doing this vlog. I need to get that out that door. Now with two people it goes in lovely because you can pick it up either end, but I'm 5'5" and I've got to try and get out. I mean, it's not massively heavy, but it is cumbersome, and then when it's in that gap you can't move at all. So we've got to go in there and then out there. So I'm going to set the GoPro up and then you can have a laugh at me struggling. You watch, after all of that, after saying all of that, it's going to be a piece of piss. No, because I said it's going to be a piece of piss, it's going to be an arsehole. Get ready, you fucker. What are you going? Ah. Well, that was anticlimactic, wasn't it? That was a lot easier than I thought. Well, here we go at the unit. The fucking door's rattling, I apologise about that. But yeah, this is what I was going on about, making brackets. So we've got these hooks for tie downs. For the shit, they bend, they flex, and they don't do shit. So I want to make some proper brackets so everything secures. I mean, like that's not too bad, but this fucks around all over the place, and that's strapped down quite tight. When I had my toolbox in here, right, I hit the brakes and it nearly went through my seat. So before I start bringing any heavy stuff over, I want to make sure this is all fucking solid. So I'm going to finish unloading and then I'll crack on with that. Oh, you can laugh at this. I brought this along, which is like my little water bottle, and I was actually going to do a video of just doing this purely and simply because Myco Knight set fire to a towel on his bench. But yeah, I've just connected my gas bottle back up. I just wanted to check the seal. So I pumped it up. Just fucking blowing air. Somehow, let's see if I can fucking unscrew this round. Somehow I've lost the fucking straw out of it. I do not know how, I do not know where it is. It's not in there. So, if I set fire to anything today, it's going to be inconvenient. Also, while I'm here, I might as well show you this because I didn't show it properly on the my workbench Wednesday. So yeah, this is just a seat belt that goes, it sort of loops through there, and then that pulls my bottle in nice and tight. Stay still. So yeah, it's nice and tight. And then I've got plenty of seatbelt left. So then, and then there's enough room for 2 bottles. So when I get the TIG welder, I can have our argon and then this argon shield mix. Right, so got the van emptied, and you can see what I mean in that corner. You know, that's literally just fucking pulled it in, because it's not attached there. That moves, so you're trying to anchor down on it. It's literally just kinked it here and creased it. So we need to brace things up. How does this look to you guys? I'm not sure about it myself. Right, I've got to call it a day. I haven't done nowhere near as much as I wanted to do. The time I'd fucking got up here was about 4 o'clock, and then unloading the van, sorting shit out. It's literally sort of 20 past 7 now. So what I wanted to do was, like I said, get rid of these and make some brackets that go along here. So I'm doing a proper video of this, so I don't want to show you too much, but I had this angle, welded it all together. Quite impressed at how straight I got it, to be fair. So then that can be welded across there. And I started one. Well, I've done this one for the other side. It's just cooling down, and then we're going to use these hooks. I'm going to weld all the nuts. I'm going to weld a load of nuts across it to do that. So yeah, that was my plan. That was what I was trying to get done, but I got at the time I'd unloaded the van. I was speaking to the farmer, and yeah, it just never happened. So I'm going to upload this tonight as just a vlog, but I'm not going to get the video out of doing the rails until I've actually finished it. It's going to be a couple of days, because tomorrow I've got to help Louis do that petrol tank, like I said at the top of the video. Then I've got my daughter, yeah, I've got Ellie tomorrow night. I might try and pop up Sunday if she wants to come up, but you know, she gets bored really easy. You know, she ain't gonna want to sit here and fucking watch me drill a shitload of holes, so it's unlikely. Yeah, and then Monday I've got her as well, so it's probably going to be Tuesday till I get back up here and crack on and finish this off. So yeah, sort of rambling a little bit now, just sort of trying to think of shit to say. Yeah, so I didn't get as much done as I wanted to get done, but you know, I made a decent start. I'm quite happy about how fucking straight I managed to get that fucking pole. Considering I just literally clamped it to the bench. I think the van's curved, so I wasn't that worried about it, but you know, I'm still quite happy. Yeah, please go check out my Teespring store. We've got cups, we've got bags, we've got t-shirts, hoodies in all varying different colours. Please go check it out and help out as much as you can. Also, I have a Patreon page where I'm trying to get it so not necessarily the vlogs, but all of the bigger videos go up before that they go on YouTube. You know, that's literally $1 a month, but you'd be surprised how much that would help me out if like a few of you do that. And then also, you know, there's the option of the PayPal donate. Any help is going to be absolutely awesome, but you know, the main thing is, you know, please subscribe to my channel, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment. Also, don't forget to check out my friends. We've got Arco and Heidi at Outlaw Edge, Ralfy at Ralfy Customs, Joey at Mill Creek Fab Shop, Myco Knight at Myco Knight. yeah, Myco Knight and Myco Knight. Yeah, please go check out Myco Knight before anybody else, right? Purely and simply because he's like building his subscribers pretty quick, but he hasn't been doing it that long. He's been doing it about 3 weeks. We're trying to get into 100 subscribers before before a month, because it'd just be a beautiful little milestone for him. So please go give him some love. Then we've got NZ Mopar. Go check him out as well. And you can't forget Papito, Papito's Casa Welding. I used his welding helmet literally for the first time today that he sent me, and it is fucking beautiful. Absolute world of difference between what I've been doing. So yeah, go check out my friends. Please go check out my merch store. Please go check out my social medias, and I'll speak to you next time. Catch you later. Bye.